Well, I'm walking through this natural fish pond here, not far from the Hilton. It's nice to know that the Hilton has a natural area, and it's funny because the most beautiful area is not where the tourists go. They all want to stay with the artificial water slides and chlorinated pools. Let them have it. This is my cup of tea. Glad this is here. What a surprise. I am going to swim right here. Shark free. Go out that side to tiger sharks. But right here, shark free. Beautiful and safety. Oh, there's big fish there. Look at that. I wonder if this will show. It's a turtle. We're gonna swim with a turtle. Look at that turtle. Oh wow, he just arose. Look at this. He's not even concerned about me. Hope he doesn't try to bite me. Boy, I could touch him. He's right there. But I won't touch him. I won't bother him. Tiger sharks eat turtles. It's their favorite food around here. So I wouldn't swim past that right there. He's right below me. Literally, he's at my shoe there. Wearing reef walkers.